Good morning.
Order filled.
This is October 17th, a beautiful Friday, 2025, New York time, 11:22. Just set a trade, a short trade. Hopefully we cash our money. We make $1,000. That's a target. That's what my objective is on this particular trade. We are already fluctuating between. Well, I went to $200 and then it took a swing back at us. That's normally how the stock market is. It's not. It doesn't work with your whim and wishes. I better put a stop loss before we get clobbered on this here, right? All right, so we will put a buy
Order
stop here.
submitted.
That this is the max that we should be hit. If it comes to that, hopefully it will continue to give us a yield here. It doesn't look promising at this time, and such is the beast of this, the nature of the beast of this trading is, right? All right, so we're going to hang in there, and in my calculation, it was a well-placed trade here, but it looks like it wants to go back up and perhaps come down. Well, this is a good opportunity here. Take $200 and run, right? I'm counting that it will give me a little break here, and it will not break my bank account, right? At $300, that's good money. Take home. This week we have been consistent about making this money, and here we are at $300, then goes back to zero. Okay. See, when you place a trade here and you want to take into account how much on a particular trade you're willing to take a hit, how much you say, okay, at this point, I'm not going to take a further loss and I'm done with this here. Similarly, I put up stop losses. Well, as you can see there, it's going back up here. Who knows that this trade is going to be a good trade or not? According to my calculations, I was counting that it may be a good trade here. Is it? We'll find out in a hurry. So we are, instead of looking for the $1,000, which I've been dreaming, it doesn't look promising, right? So, yeah, it doesn't look that promising. What we can also do is that we can stop right here and then go back into the trade. And like let's say we are at $100 profit here. We take this $100 profit and then wait for again the same opportunity, which we another short trade here. See, right now we are about $300 or so. That's good money. We can stop right here, and if we intend to still make our goal for today, we can do it. It has given us an opportunity at about $500-600 right there. That's where we can stop. So I'm going to stop right at $1,000, and this is where my projections were. And you saw that it was hurting us. So I'm ready to close this here. If it goes the way I'm thinking it will go here, right? Because of my calculation, not that I'm wishing and hoping here. It's totally you develop a strategy and you try to achieve your goal. And if it doesn't work, you cut your losses and wait for another opportunity here. It went up what $600-700, then it going back down. I'm still counting on it that it will hit my mark. Although this is good money here, and we can close this whole week at a profitable level. So let's see. I'm going to bring the stop loss more down here so that we are not hurt that much if it takes a swing back. And right now, this is exactly what it's doing. Don't want to take a big drawdown here. That's the thing here. This may not be promising after all, right? Would it cut me a slack here? It doesn't look like it's just about to hit my limit where I said, okay, I'm not going to take a bigger hit than this here. And it can go right back up and turn this $500 into a lost trade. Is that what it is? It looks like it is. Okay, let me see how far it will.
Order canceled.
That's It's not a good thing to do, but I'm willing to take high risk here. See if it gives me a break here, or it is going to break my bank for this whole week. I just took a stop loss out, but I still need to put it because it can go wild, right? So let me bring the stop loss here.
Order submitted.
So that it doesn't clean my clock, right? Well, here it is. It took a turn. As you saw, that I just took it out and I felt that it is going to go back down again. My homework says for this particular trade that it should yield a minimum of $1,000. It may not be because you saw that we were taking a hit here. So, and I am still betting here. When I say the word bet, it's not in the sense of a casino table here. It is only in the sense that my projections are correct. See, it is again turning into where I want it to turn. Meaning that my set of calculation for this particular trade are in the right place. I'm not off on my calculations here. Let's see. I'm willing to take a hit here, not being stubborn. I know it will wipe out if it goes back up where the current stop loss it will totally wipe out perhaps at least half of the profitable trade this week. All right, we shall see. We are in this trade for about almost 6-7 minutes. Now it gave us an opportunity to take the $500, and right now also $100, take it and just go, and this turns into a profitable trade. Right now at this moment we are. Can it give me what I'm looking for? I'm counting on it. $100, yeah. Would it be? I don't know. It is it's turning ugly again. So I'm going to hang in there and let's see how bad this can be. I tell you what, I don't like that. I don't like it. I want to go it my way, but stock market doesn't work like that. We all know this. We have been doing this for a long time, so we know it doesn't work the way we expect it to work, right? So let's see. Let's see. That's what I'm looking for. What is it doing now? It's it's not doing what I want. It is not doing what I like. I don't like what I see here. Ouch, 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 ouch. $800, we are still in good shape. Oh, $1,000 now. That's taking a bite in our profit for the week. Question always is that how much for that one particular trade, how much are you willing to take a loss? So we have two NQs, which means we are in the 2000 here, and right now it was touching our $1,000 loss on that here. So, but I'm still confident. I'm still counting on it that the market will continue to go down. Would it? That's what my trade was. That it is going to go further down, for at least for now, the trade we are in. All right, we shall see. We shall see that it will do that. See, we are back again in the green. Does that look promising? The way the market is going right now, it doesn't look encouraging. Since it has gone into this situation, would it be a good idea to stop the trade here while it is still profitable, and then go back in again. All right, looks like this time it may be the magic I'm looking for. $300, 500, that's good money. That is good money to take and run. In a matter of seconds, you see how the market fluctuates. It takes all that $500 turned into zero and counting. Now we are $200. Wow, look, this is how trading always is. There is nothing that is guaranteed. I can stop this trade right here and then wait for a next opportunity to make my mark for today. Would it let me do that? Oh lordy, lordy, lordy. It is hard. It is hard. At times it is very promising for me because I know it is a well-placed trade. Again, I had the opportunity. See now what I could have done here. I could have taken the 200, 300 or 500 here and then place another trade where I feel like that, it is going to definitely give us some more money instead of going through this heartaches here. That would be a better way to go. I'm holding this very one trade here that it will give us a yield here which I'm looking for, or I can cash it. Let's do this here. We are about $600, $700 right here. We can take our money and run and place another trade, or just call it quits. All right, I'm just about trigger happy that I will decide that do I want to take this here. While I'm deciding, it is cutting in my bank account. All right, let me stop right here.
Order filled.
And then wait for another opportunity to make it what my original goal was. We have made $375, and I'm again trigger happy to see that if I can squeeze out some more money today. So this trade is profitable. Technically we are done for the day. We can just take our money and be happy with this. So should we take another chance? What do you think? We are in almost 15 minutes into this. All right. Okay, let's stop here. While we are in good shape here. So I'm not going to get greedy. We call it a day. We are done. Everyone have a beautiful, blessed day and a nice weekend. And we'll catch up again on Monday. So all this week we have been profitable. And hopefully we'll continue to go that way. Thank you so much. Bye now.